Who doesn't love a solid tool upgrade? Today I've got some clever new gear lined up, designed to make projects smoother, quicker, and way more enjoyable. No boring tech talk, just straight up insights on tools that'll have you saying, how did I ever work without this? One worker with this tool can carve out 800 meters of flawless grooves daily. That's the length of 8 football fields. Upkeep? Just a blast of compressed air twice a week and a quick check every 100 hours. This monster isn't just an axe. It's a saw, shovel, hammer, and hook packed into one rugged design. With a carbon fiber reinforced nylon handle, rock-solid locking system, razor-sharp shovel edge, military-grade Cerakote finish, and a saw blade that chews through branches, sick of crooked sockets wrecking your drywall masterpiece? This smart template works like GPS for flawless switch alignment every time. With a built-in spirit level and magnetic backing, it locks everything in place while you work. Add in a sturdy steel stand and clear instructions, and it's practically foolproof. We've all struggled with this before. This pocket-sized beast that chews through concrete, shrugs off metal, and slices stone like butter. Don't be fooled by its size. Think of it as the Chihuahua of grinders. For something so compact, the performance is outstanding. It's built with tradespeople, locksmiths, tilers, welders, and metalworkers in mind, making it a real game changer on the job. If drip irrigation is your thing, this tool's about to be your best friend. It punches in 10 drippers per minute, yes, really, and works with any brand on 16 to 20 millimeter tubing. One hand is all it takes, no special skills required. It's the fastest and most precise way to set up a system, saving time and hassle every step of the way. Let's be honest, 75% of cable damage comes down to human error. That's where these cable bodyguards step in. They fit securely on cables from 8 to 42 millimeters and pop off tool-free whenever you need access. The real win? Even beginners can set them up easily with the right tool. Ever ripped off a baseboard and trashed the drywall behind it? This patented puller is the fix you've been waiting for. With a non-slip grip, it spreads force evenly to prevent dents and even packs a built-in nail puller. From tiles to carpets to trim, it tackles them all while keeping your walls flawless. This beast slices through 10 millimeter porcelain slabs like butter. No suction cups, no batteries, no hassle. Lighter than your gym bag, it unfolds into a massive 3.6 meter workhorse. The anti-slip grip keeps it steady while you work. And when the job's done, it folds down to fit in your trunk. Watch it glide through tiles like a hot knife through butter. Done cutting? Now it's time to lift like a pro with these heavy-duty grips. Equipped with a pressure gauge, a solid steel handle, and a bright red pump, they stick tight to textured surfaces with 20 centimeter pads. Need to haul slabs for hours? No problem. These grips won't quit. Watch how they make moving heavy slabs look effortless. Lighter than your checked luggage, this beast can lift a staggering 6.5 tons. That's like hoisting a pickup. Need precision? It has a detachable hand lever and a quick luring mechanism, so you're never stuck waiting. Pair it with rail-pulling shoes and you can move tracks without bending them. This product is a total game changer for anyone working at heights. It's more than just a platform, it's a mobile fortress built for safety and efficiency. One person, one move, 1 second setup, no tools, no hassle, just instant stability. And don't let the lightweight frame fool you. It can handle up to 170 kilograms like it's nothing. Forget everything you know about tricky heat shrink jobs. This smart system combines classic techniques with advanced airflow technology to give perfect 360-degree shrinkage. No rotation required. The magic really happens when you use their specialized base with a heat gun. This clever tool uses a powerful neodymium magnet to hold nails securely, keeping your fingers safe. Works perfectly with screwdrivers, drills, or screw guns, including self-tapping screws. The standard kit comes with a comfortable handle, a magnetic nail holder, and a curved extension for tricky spots. This innovative tool makes removing doors, cabinets, and heavy containers a breeze, all without leaving scratches. It easily handles loads up to 120 kilograms. With a smooth gliding nickel-plated weight and an intuitive foot pedal, even beginners can work like pros. Precision fanatics, this is your dream tool. Think of it as the smartphone of torque wrenches. An LCD screen and buzzer keep you from ever second-guessing a tightening job. The built-in gyroscope delivers pinpoint accuracy, while the one-button control proves that pro-level precision doesn't have to be complicated. Meet the world's smartest link seal. Finally, no more torque wrench guesswork. Thanks to its clever visual indicator, you'll instantly know when it's tightened to perfection. Whether you're working on plumbing, gas lines, or cable ducts, this little innovation makes the whole job faster, safer, and way more reliable. This machine isn't just about surface roughening. It's a full-on multitasking beast. From degreasing and scraping to stripping rubber and blasting away dust, it handles it all with ease. Fire it up to 3,200 bar of raw cleaning force, and even the most stubborn grime doesn't stand a chance. This 10-kilogram suitcase-sized scanner checks roofs up to 152 millimeters deep, and one person can run it solo. With 3 sensitivity modes for different roof types, it covers more area with smarter accuracy, helping you stop leaks before they become expensive problems. The single router bit kit changes the game for edge work. With 6 cutters, 8 round-over bits, plus the screws and wrench included, it's a complete setup in one box. For furniture makers, that means less hassle, more precision, and faster, flawless edges. This all-in-one sprayer handles paint, enamel, and sealants with pro-level control. From popcorn ceilings to tall walls, the built-in turbine removes the need for a compressor. 3 nozzles give you custom spray patterns, and the lock-and-go system makes setup and cleanup fast and easy. Ever wished you could dry a road in minutes? This compact hammerjet blasts moisture at 2.5 kilometers an hour, lighter than a suitcase and perfect for fast repairs or marking prep. This patented sponge wringer uses durable nylon rollers to press out every drop, leaving sponges ideally damp for use. It's cleaner, faster, and way more efficient than the old methods. This pocket-sized powerhouse packs 4 speeds and multiple nozzles to clear dust, cobwebs, and debris in seconds. At only 18 centimeters, it tucks away anywhere, yet the airflow feels like holding a mini hurricane with a long-lasting battery. This isn't an old-school vise. It's a smart tool for modern makers. Adjust clamping force, track pressure on the OLED screen, and add LED lights or a fan. With a 4,400 milliamp hour battery, it's precise, powerful, and tech-forward. Need to climb trees effortlessly? This genius step holds up to 340 kilograms, installs without tools and with accessories like blinds and umbrellas. It makes your outdoor setup faster and easier than ever. Tired of slow, messy painting? Meet this roller and sprayer combo that works up to 4 times faster than traditional methods. Compatible with 180 centimeter extension poles for easy sealing work, plus an optional guide wheel for perfect lines. The detachable roller and spray head make cleanup effortless. Say goodbye to corded hassle. This machine uses vibration welding and runs on a battery that handles up to 400 strapping cycles per charge. Lightweight and easy for one-handed use, it's perfect for quickly and efficiently securing loads without the struggle. Spills and crusty paint lids? Forget about them. This silicone lid features a retractable nozzle and airtight seal to keep paint fresh. Stack your cans safely. Just stick to water-based paints or stains. Blunt scissors and dull knives are no match. This 3-blade sharpener tackles scissors, shears, axes, and more using tungsten, carbide, and diamond edges. The bright handle ensures you'll never misplace it in your toolbox. Spreading peat, moss, or mulch just got easier. This spreader tackles large areas quickly. No more back-breaking shoveling. It delivers smooth, even coverage like a pro, and your lawn will thank you for it. Tired of nerve-wracking table saw cuts? This stick comes with replaceable EVA foam tips that glide safely past blades. No splinters, no marks. It also absorbs vibrations and holds workpieces firmly. Safety first, but without slowing you down. This game-changing soldering kit leaves gas tanks and open flames behind. No more wind problems or propane headaches, plus full temperature control on a sleek digital display. Lightweight and easy for one-handed use, it's perfect for pro-level soldering. Packed with smart accessories, it's efficient and eco-friendly. For those who put safety first, here's a mask that works like a superhero sidekick. This ATEX certified unit filters 99.8% of harmful vapors, gases, and smoke, while a forehead airflow system keeps you cool. With 18 hours of runtime, 27 filters, and spark-proof steel mesh, it's built for tough jobs. This knife takes cutting to a new level, vibrating 40,000 times per second. That means MDF, acrylic, leather, even carbon fiber slice as smoothly as butter. And for larger projects, no worries. You get 5 different blade types to match the job. This PDF system makes underfloor heating installation effortless. On projects larger than 6 square meters, it's a real lifesaver. Far simpler than protection tubes and easy enough to manage solo. No more wrestling with awkward materials, just smooth, efficient results every time. Need to install sockets or switches in tight spaces? This keyhole saw is a clever solution. Its self-tapping screw tip drills into drywall with ease, while the 2-piece handle gives you precise control. For those tricky recesses, it makes the job faster and far less frustrating. This roof anchor installs in just 15 minutes, with no nails or screws, and can secure up to 8 people at 141 kilograms each. ISO lab tested, it delivers full fall protection while boosting productivity. With multiple attachment points, it's a reliable solution for even complex multi-slope roofs. Tired of hauling heavy tools by hand? This backpack-style carrier is a real game changer. It holds up to 8 kilograms of gear and uses a steel cable system to lift tools comfortably over your shoulder. No more awkward arm strain, just smooth, effortless carrying that keeps you moving. The shuttle lifting system is built for speed, raising 2 panels in just 10 seconds with a simple drill-powered drive. With a 60-kilogram load capacity and an 11.2-meter reach, it's a huge time saver and a must-have tool for solar installers tackling big projects. Think of the grounding wire stapler as the powerhouse of linework tools. It's not your average stapler. Engineered for precision, it drives staples with extreme accuracy. The lightweight aluminum steel build means you can secure an entire pole in one go. Built to cut through copper and aluminum cables up to 54 millimeters thick, these cutters make the job effortless with a smart ratchet system. That means less force and no cable damage. Just keep in mind, they're not for steel. Whether you're in telecom, electrical work, or just appreciate a clean cut, this tool makes every task smoother. With growing golf courses in the US, keeping them green isn't easy. This adjustable depth cutter makes it simple. Repair irrigation damaged spots or fine-tune that Kentucky bluegrass. Just set the depth, glide through any grass type, and get a perfectly smooth finish every time. This outside-in drilling system is pure genius. Say goodbye to crooked holes and alignment headaches. Attach the vacuum suction cup, use the ultrasonic rangefinder, and let the color-coded guides deliver flawless precision. Compact for tight spaces, yet powerful enough for aerospace-level accuracy. Never worry about crooked holes again with this smart circle guide. Like a bubble level upgraded, its red and green rings guarantee perfectly straight drilling on any surface, even curves. Perfect for DIYers, and honestly, it might be the ultimate gift for your crafty friends. And that's a wrap on today's countdown of insane tools pushing the boundaries of imagination and technology. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping content,